So guys, just doing a quick short review of the L96 Warrior and a shooting test at roughly 15-10 meters. Yeah, here we got an adjustable butt, so if you have short arms, we got a raising thing to rest your cheek on. The grip is pretty nice. It's got 2 triggers here, so you'll push that one and you fire. It's not annoying. It's just really light. It's just like that. You'll put it. You won't realise you're actually pushing it when you get it. But safety's around here. The back is safety. Forward is firing. I remember that because when you push it forward is on when you fire at the bullet, and then you can't go that way. So got a scope. It's pretty good. Got it yesterday. It's got a barrel, really long barrel. Silenced. It's pretty much silenced. It's very quiet. We got a bipod with this tactical rail accessory. What you won't get it with if like you're not ordering it with a scope in that. Yeah, you got tactical rail here already on there, so you can just put a scope on it, and the mag's just under there. Yeah, you have to see that the mag's already in there though. Yeah, the bolt. This is spring, 450 FPS, 0.2s. I'm using 0.28s for more accuracy. I'm back and I'm just setting up my scope for the target over there. That's that little black dot on your screen. It's a can with an apple on top of it. Don't ask why the apple's on there, just put it on there. Just because I thought that'd be alright. And this should completely destroy the both of them. So, say goodbye. Oh, got the can. Got the can. Oh, got the apple. Oh, I think I made a hole in the can. Yeah, I did. I can see. In the can again, and it's fallen over. Let's finish it off. Right, let's go have a look. Just gonna have a look at them. Yep, that's pretty much destroyed. Hit there. This has made like a hole there, like a little split. Yep, that's dead. The apple, I got one hit on it, that hole there. But yep, it's gonna die now. So. Yep, it's pretty much dead now, so yeah, goodbye, thanks for watching.